Hello everyone. Welcome back to Home Inspiration Studios, your destination for all things house design ideas. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. If you are new to our channel, please consider subscribing for more home decor and design tips. Today, we're finding the perfect balance between cozy charm and sleek sophistication with the incredibly popular trend of modern country house design with garden. This style is about creating a retreat that offers the tranquility of nature without sacrificing contemporary comfort. We'll define what makes this design so special, explore the amazing lifestyle benefits it offers, give you essential tips for decorating a stunning country exterior and garden, and then, we'll unveil our top 10 best modern country house designs. Get ready to trade city stress for country serenity. Modern country house design is a successful architectural fusion, taking the warm, welcoming aesthetics of traditional rural architecture, think gabled roofs, natural wood siding, and large porches, and blending them with the clean lines, open floor plans, and state-of-the-art efficiency of modern design. The garden element is absolutely crucial. It's not just a yard, but an intentionally designed landscape that connects the home directly to nature. This often involves rambling cottage gardens, organized kitchen gardens, or even just expansive, unstructured lawns that complement the architecture. The design uses natural, tactile materials like stone, weathered wood, and metal accents, while interiors embrace a light, airy feeling with minimal clutter, ensuring the focus remains on comfort and the breathtaking views outside. Choosing a modern country house design with an integrated garden brings profound benefits to your daily life. Firstly, it offers a dramatic improvement in wellness and connection to nature. The emphasis on large windows, indoor-outdoor flow via porches and patios, and accessible gardens means natural light and fresh air are abundant, reducing stress and promoting a healthier lifestyle. Secondly, these homes are inherently durable and comfortable. They utilize robust, classic materials like shiplap, natural stone, and wood siding, which age beautifully and require manageable maintenance. Furthermore, the design promotes functional, family-friendly living. Open-concept spaces and large mudrooms, or entryways, cater perfectly to busy families and those who love to entertain, ensuring a relaxed, clutter-free environment even with outdoor activities. The exterior of a modern country house, including the surrounding garden, is its signature feature and must strike a balance between rustic charm and refined clarity. Start with the material palette, typically combining classic elements like horizontal lap siding or board-and-batten with modern touches like matte black metal roofs or large, dark-framed windows. The porch is non-negotiable. Design a spacious, wraparound or covered porch with simple railings and comfortable outdoor furniture, like classic rockers or a large swing, to encourage outdoor living. For the garden landscape, avoid overly formal manicures. Opt for a slightly wild, romantic look with perennials and native grasses that frame the house gently. Use simple, durable hardscaping, gravel paths, flagstone patios, or rustic stone retaining walls that feel harmonious with the rural setting, ensuring the garden is both beautiful and welcomingly accessible. It's time for the real inspiration. We're counting down the top 10 best modern country house designs with garden ideas, showcasing incredible examples of how these styles are executed perfectly. Look closely at the synergy between the home's architecture and its surrounding landscape. One, the classic white modern farmhouse with porch swing. Leading our list is the quintessential modern farmhouse. This home features crisp white board-and-batten siding contrasted with a matte black metal roof and dark window frames, providing that signature modern touch. The expansive covered front porch, complete with a classic porch swing, is the key architectural element promoting relaxation. The surrounding garden is simple but intentional, using well-defined shrubs and native grasses that provide structure without sacrificing the casual country aesthetic. 2. The stone and timber rustic modern retreat. This design leans into rustic modern, powerfully grounding the home with a robust base of natural, stacked stone and heavy, dark timber accents. The large glass windows and the use of horizontal dark siding on the upper level provide a clean, modern contrast to the rugged materials. The garden here is more natural and unmanicured, featuring dense trees and rock elements that integrate the house seamlessly into a wooded or mountainous environment, emphasizing coziness and enduring strength. 3. The light and airy modern cottage with flower beds. A perfect example of modern cottage style, this home prioritizes brightness and simplicity. The pale gray or white lap siding and a charming gabled roof keep the traditional feel, while the streamlined chimney and simple window trim offer the modern update. The garden is a vibrant cottage masterpiece, featuring abundant, colorful flower beds and low hedges that create a romantic, lived-in feel, making the entrance instantly inviting and picturesque. 4. The elevated barn-style Scandi country home. Influenced by Scandinavian design, this home adopts a striking barn-like silhouette with a steep gabled roof and dark, vertical siding, often black or charcoal. The drama is balanced by large, minimalist windows that flood the interiors with light. The surrounding landscape is deliberately sparse and functional, featuring a clean gravel drive and low, native grasses, allowing the architectural form and the expansive sky to dominate the view. 5. The grand modern farmhouse with symmetrical design. This grand design takes the modern farmhouse to a formal level with its imposing structure and symmetrical window placement. The classic horizontal white siding is complemented by stone skirting and multiple dormers. Crucially, the landscaping employs organized, box hedge-style planting beds near the foundation, transitioning into a large, open lawn. This combination retains the cozy country feel but adds a sense of stately elegance and scale. 6. The cozy backyard garden retreat with fire pit. Focusing on the garden aspect, this idea shows a beautifully integrated outdoor living space. The house exterior uses warm gray siding with simple trim. The garden features a comfortable stone or brick patio area, anchored by a rustic outdoor fire pit or fireplace, surrounded by lush, tiered planting beds. This design emphasizes the use of the garden as an extension of the interior, perfect for evening gatherings and year-round outdoor enjoyment. 7. The two-tone siding and metal roof contrast. For a contemporary edge, this design uses a smart two-tone color scheme, often mixing light gray stucco or siding on the lower level with natural wood paneling or white board-and-batten on the upper gables. The clean, unadorned eaves and metal roof define the modern aesthetic. The garden is kept minimal and tidy near the home's foundation, using simple ground cover and stepping stones, directing focus to the architectural textures. 8. The woodclad entryway and cottage garden border. This home showcases how a striking entryway can elevate the country style. A prominent natural wood cladding is used around the front door or garage, providing a warm, rustic contrast to the main light-colored facade. The surrounding garden features tall, informal flower borders and climbing plants near the walls, which softens the structure and gives it that inviting, established country feel, prioritizing texture and natural growth. 9. The large rear deck with garden views. The backyard of a modern country house is just as important as the front. This design features an extensive, elevated rear deck with simple, metal cable railings that don't obstruct the expansive view of the surrounding garden. The lawn is wide and open, leading to wooded or agricultural areas, creating a sense of vast space. This focus on the rear garden and deck is key to maximizing relaxation and enjoying the rural landscape. 10. The integrated kitchen garden and pergola. Our final idea emphasizes functionality within the garden. This home features a classic, simple country exterior and an attached wooden pergola or covered patio leading out to a dedicated kitchen garden area. Raised beds and organized rows for vegetables and herbs make the garden a practical, beautiful extension of the kitchen. This design perfectly captures the self-sufficient, charming spirit of modern country living. The modern country house design with garden truly represents the best of both worlds. The peace and natural beauty of the countryside combined with the efficiency and streamlined style of modern architecture. By focusing on durable materials, open, light-filled spaces, and a romantic yet functional garden, you can create a home that is both a sophisticated retreat and a comfortable, welcoming sanctuary. Remember, the key is the harmonious relationship between the structure and its landscape. Let the beauty of your garden enhance the elegance of your home. Which modern country style captures your heart the most, the classic farmhouse or the cozy cottage? Share your dream country design in the comments below. If you're ready to start building your own rural paradise, hit that like button and subscribe to Homes Inspiration Studios for more luxury home ideas and garden tours. Don't forget to ring the notification bell so you catch our next deep dive into incredible architecture. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you soon.